This is the stadium on Thursday, March 7th at 3:21 in the morning. We wanted to go down there so that you guys could get a better perspective of the inside of the stadium, because they're starting to do a lot of work on the inside, and during the day it's just so sunny that you can't see into the stadium from the photos. So we wanted a nice night shot where you can really see all the work being done on the inside. Live around here now, they're like, oh, there's the Raiders stadium, because now you can definitely see it. When you're on the south side of the stadium, you can really see how far they had to dig into the ground to build the stadium, because the airport is right there, so they had to make sure the stadium wasn't higher for the planes to go over. So they really had to dig a deep hole to build the stadium. Here is from Russell looking into the stadium from the backside. So as you can see, they are almost done with those bleachers. They've done a lot on the bleachers. So these huge tiles, I believe, are going to go under the turf for the bottom of the stadium. So they're starting to lay those down, and it's looking good. I can't wait to see once they put all the flooring in, so then it won't be so muddy out there. It'll be nice. Behind me. I believe they're going to be going on either side here, because there's going to be a hole right here. This is going to be where you can see into the stadium if you look at the rendering, and I believe those are going to go on either side here. This is the edge of the steel girders. Finish right there. He has his car, an emergency thing, to take a photo. He's going to get hit. This road here, people fly down this road. It's only supposed to be 35, but people go a lot faster. So that's ridiculous. He's got his kids in the car and everything. Look at all these cars. He's causing this traffic jam now. This is not what you do. Not want to do this. You want to walk. You don't want to drive and cause an accident. Down here on Polaris and Russell, this Chevron Terribles is where you want to park if you want to take photos and then walk around the stadium. It's very important to not stop on Dean Martin or even on Polaris right now, because there's construction on Polaris, and then Dean Martin is just way too busy of a road, and there's also construction on Dean Martin. So they've asked, the security has asked if people would park at the chevron and walk if you want to take photos, because otherwise that just becomes a hazard for people trying to drive around the stadium. This is on Dean Martin, so on the east side of the stadium. This will be the side that you're going to see from the strip. I love all the machines and the cranes and things. So here's the bleachers. Look at how far they've come along on the bleachers. There's Jedi Rich getting his photos, so all of you can enjoy this. Here's from Russell. This is where Mortensen McCarthy currently has their office, just here on the south side of the stadium. Look at the 3 levels you can clearly see of the bleachers. It's so funny when you actually see how big the stadium is when you see in contrast to someone walking. They look so small. So yeah, anyone, if you live in Las Vegas, you got to get down here soon, because it's starting to be where they're going to start putting the outside on where you can't actually see into the stadium. So you want to get down there while you can still actually see the construction going on, because that's what's really interesting. This is from Dean Martin, the east side. The south side. The west side.